Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make halwa, Suji halwa. We have here all the ingredients. So we have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of Suji, semolina, 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of water, half cup of almonds, badam, 1/4 cup of raisin, 1/4 cup of coconut, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, which is lachi. Okay, so first we put the butter in the pan, add the cardamom, okay, when you get to this stage you add the suji, samolina. I get confused with this name, samolina. The other one is samolina in eggs or something. Semolina, yes, that's the one. Okay, so when this is roasted in the butter, like so, and you feel the smell coming out from the semolina, then you add a little bit of water. Okay, we can add the water. 1 cup. Okay, add the sugar. Okay. Add the remaining water. The almonds, the raisins, the coconut, okay, you still need to mix it till it gets properly cooked, and you can tell by seeing the oil in it a little bit, and the color, and look at the color, it changes the color as well. It's very easy to make, it doesn't take a long time to make. It's now ready. It took about 20 minutes.